Midwife is a person who is trained in assisting women during childbirth. She also provides prenatal care for the pregnant woman, birth education for the woman and their partner, and care for mothers and infants after childbirth. So midwife means she is a person, she is giving some care during the childbirth. She is providing care, prenatal care and the postnatal care, intranatal care. Also she is educating the partner. Also she is taking care of the child. So this is the midwife and the role. So this definition you can use for a midwife. Also there is midwifery. According to WHO, midwifery as a field that involves providing care to women during pregnancy, labor and postpartum period, and also providing care to newborn. It includes preventive measures for health problems during pregnancy, detection of abnormality, obtaining medical help and taking emergency action in the absence of medical assistance. Midwife, she is the person, but midwifery is